Check out this 2012 Hyundai Accent. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Enjoy these notable features: satellite radio, power windows, power steering, power door locks, keyless entry, cruise control, air conditioning, 4-cylinder 1.6-liter, steering wheel controls, audio and tilt wheel. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.